Frankly, a job split was something that I'd never actively pursued in my career, and it just so happened that I had certain personal commitments to meet, because of which I decided to pursue this opportunity. At the time when I decided to go ahead, I was looking after household care business and the oral care business, and I decided to move to an arrangement where I would do 3 days handling only one of the businesses, which was household care, and take 2 days out, which I could devote to my personal commitments. I would say the job split arrangement has worked almost 100% to my satisfaction. Personally, I think what it has done is it given me a lot more time I can spend to support my mother at home. I think even professionally, it puts you at a much better frame of mind, just knowing that you are there to support your family. Professionally, I think what it has helped me do is, it has given me every opportunity that a full-time role could possibly give you. So I handle household care in brand building, and I put 3 days into it, and possibly every opportunity in terms of managing business, marketing, or in terms of leadership is I get it on my part-time job. Secondly, I think the very fact that you are in a much better space as far as your personal life is concerned, I think helps you deliver much better professionally also. What one needs to focus on to make such an arrangement work really successfully, I think the first thing is the organization culture and belief in making an opportunity like this to work. So I think what really helped me was, in my case, was my boss, my peers, and my subordinates. Firstly, I had the full trust and confidence that part-time job does not mean part-time output. And I think that confidence is absolutely critical for one to actually get the confidence to perform on an arrangement like this. So in case of my boss, I think while it was a full-time brand building role, I think he had the confidence to see that even if I worked the 3 times, the output would not get compromised. I think from terms of my peers and subordinates who are working with me, I think it's a lot about being far more disciplined in terms of time. So they have looked at this opportunity, and they have sort of let me make adjustments in my time, so as to ensure that I'm effectively able to just work 3 days and not carry it into the balance 2 days. From my personal perspective, I think what it's forced me to do is be far more disciplined on time in terms of choices I make, in terms of meetings, etc. I have to do, and also in terms of managing my time effectively across the 3 days that I work in.